Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. Good morning, my investing friends. Good news on General Electric. For my subscribers, know me that it's my number 2 pick of the year to 7 to 10 times my money. But really, like Ford, I can't put a cap limit on it. Why? Because nobody knows what kind of money is going to be floating around in all the new sectors or all the new areas of energy. Okay, General Electric, I'm a bullish investor in General Electric. I probably have maybe 60 shares. Subscribers, thank you, by the way, for taking the time to hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, just the time, please take a minute or a second to hit the subscribe button. Also, too, the notification bell as well. It's all free. Okay. I'm a small-time investor. I've been investing since 2020 September. I have, I don't know, 3 accounts with a little bit of money under $10,000 in it, way under 10,000. So that's why I call me a small-time investor. I don't even have 5,000. But anyways, it'll be there pretty soon, promise. So I'm doing my DDs this bright Sunday early morning, coming from out of Los Angeles, California, and looking at my stocks, of course. General Electric, Ford, CLII, man, Lev. Anyways, I come across this article on General Electric that I'm bullish on. And I just wanted, this is their YouTube website, okay? They just won another massive contract. Their largest ever. Okay? They're in so many different sectors. But this one is their aviation channel. Listen, look at this. Okay? Watch this. Give me a minute here. What does that say? "100 years of re-imaging flight. General Electric Aviation." This is their YouTube channel, okay? I'm not going to spend too much time doing the DDs for you guys. But this company is a company you do not want to miss out on. FOMO. Okay? Great news. I've made other videos on them. But this is their aviation channel. For you that didn't know, General Electric doesn't only power your house, keep your food safe by refrigerating it, but they also flight us around the world. Many videos made by them. I highly recommend to go look at them ASAP. They're trading under 14, let's say $15. How does that sound? Does that sound bad? Good? General Electric, a company that's been here for 100 years, okay, is trading under $15. How does this sound? Trading under $20. I'm going to show you a little bit more of their YouTube channel and what they do, and then I'm going to take you to a couple of their articles. Then I'm going to share with you their price, and then I'm going to share with you a surprise. I have a great option, two great options for next week on General Electric at the end of the video. Okay? I need to remind you all that I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence when it comes to investing in anything. God bless you guys all. Let's make some money and hope you enjoy the show. If you do, please leave a like button. If you're welcome to leave a comment, which I'm not getting from any of my subscribers or viewers. I would like to start getting that. At least something. Who you like, why you even on my channel for? Okay? So, I need to remind you, if you're new to my channel, you're not going to get a bunch of fancy videos because I'm not endorsed by any of these companies. You're not going to get any Kathy Woods jocking shit. Excuse my language. Because I don't jock her. Like a lot of these professional YouTube videos guys are, or girls. Also, too, I need to remind you that I'm not a professional YouTube video maker. Okay? But I know how to invest. I know what money is. I know what it feels like. And I know and I know how it feels like to have it. Okay? That's General Electric Aviation. Now, you can subscribe to their aviation channel, which I have.
The nature of energy generation and consumption is changing. Clean energy, environmental policy, and technological advances are rapidly reshaping the world's electrical grids. Yesterday's power grid is in need of massive investment to accommodate an increasing amount of clean energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydro generation. The rise of electric cars and electrification of the economy are further straining the infrastructure. These dynamics introduce a range of new challenges. GE's renewable hybrid solutions deliver seamless integration of renewable energy sources with the power of storage to ensure grid resiliency, flexibility, and dispatchability. Hybrids steady the wind and make sure that a bright sunny day can power our homes throughout the night. Renewable hybrids pair wind turbines, solar, and other renewables with storage.
This is some of their wind turbines. But this is what I really like. As you were watching, I'm sorry about that. I didn't realize I was recording. They got renewable energy on and offshore wind solutions. Okay. Hydro solutions, digital solutions. So many different things about them. Anyways, let's go to their article. This is just out. On the Motley Fool. Okay. That it's no secret that 2020 was a rough year for global aviation industry. General Electric massive aviation business didn't escape the carnage. Revenue fell 33% year over year to 22 billion. Not million, billion. Orders dropped 41% to 21.6 billion. They fell. Okay, remember this. They fell 33% and they fell 41%. Segment's profit plummeted 82% to 1.2 billion. And free cash flow fell to zero from 4.4 billion in 2019. Just a little over a year ago. Okay? Reminding you these figures, these percentages, they fell 82%, 41%, 33%, and 33%. And then 100% because they fell to zero. Yet, as poorly as general aviation performed in 2020, the pandemic didn't hurt its long-term profit potential very much. After all, on Friday, the unit bagged another huge order for jet engines and services, highlighting its remarkable growth prospects. Okay, now aviation just won a huge order. India's largest airline now has outstanding orders for over 1,000 CFM LEAP 1A engines. CFM is a division of General Electric. Okay, go ahead and read up a little bit on this article so you know they also do jet engines. Well, if you didn't know, well, now you know. Okay, and here's the information on this. Listen to this. On Friday, CFM and IndiGo, India's largest airline company, announced that it has selected the LEAP 1A to power its additional 310 Airbus jets it has on order. The companies also signed a long-term service agreement for these engines. This represents CFM's largest order ever, by number of engines, of course, sliding in ahead of the 2019 deal with the same company to power only 280. This company is now asking them to power 310. So that is their largest order ever as far as aviation engines. But yes, they build jet engines. Okay, this is a great article. Go ahead and finish reading it up. I'll put a link to in the description below. Now, let's take a look at these guys a little closer. Here on my Webull account, General Electric is trading in after hours $13.22. This is Sunday. Okay, they were down in after hours and they were up up Friday for the day. I managed to pick up, well, no, I have 6 to 8 shares. You know, I've owned them for quite a while. They were down for a minute. But listen to this. This is some of their news, most recent news, 6 hours ago. Market recap with Jim Cramer. Buy GE. Okay. One day ago, India's largest airline picks GE Safran engines for 310 new Airbus planes that I just read to you. Oh, this is what I like. This is what I like. Delta taps longtime General Electric executive. My bad. That's what I hate about them. Okay, they tapped the longtime General Electric executive as its new CFO. Why do I like that? Because they're going to choose General Electric to power their jets. Okay? That's why I like it. That's what I'm hoping for. And that's not only the only reason why I'm bullish on General Electric. All them other reasons. Go to their YouTube channel. You are going to be amazed at what they do. Way, way undervalued. Okay, let's see. Is General Electric a smart long-term buy? Hell yeah. Okay, let's go to what they look like. This is my Webull account. I own 68 shares, but I also have a few shares on my E-Trade account. Because I'm looking at the length of this video, 14 minutes already. Let me just go ahead and get to that options. Go ahead and do your DDs on them. I'm very bullish on them. They just won another contract, a huge contract. Last week they did a double contract. So keep them on your radar. Actually, let me take you to that real quick to just confirm my word. Actually, I'll put the video I made on it in the description below. Also, too, real quick, this is their 3-month chart. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa, look at this. Whatever you want to call it, but look at this. That's the 3-month chart. Look at where they're at on the MACD. Let's see what they're trading on the RSI. Oh man, I'm telling you, be ready. They are going to an all-time high. Right there. That's $14.17. Okay, they're gonna this by the end of this month, they're passing that. Promise. Okay. Don't miss out. Now, my options play. If you're still hanging around, I thank you guys very much. Let's check this out. I got 2 of them. Okay, now you're lucky enough to be in my Robinhood account. If you're a subscriber, you know that I'm getting my butt whooped on it. But look at this, what I did Friday, baby. Huh? All options plus $247. And check this out. These are my options. Okay, vote real quick. And I got General Electric. I only have 4.5. Oh, I forgot. I bought 4 shares for almost 5 shares Friday. So I have like 75 shares of General Electric. Now I have a contract expiring 6/4 for $12.50 call. That's already making money. Then I have another option that ends this Friday, 5/28. I have 5 of them and they're in the red and I can't wait. Look at this one. Look at this one. I have 5 contracts. Okay. Look at what I spent. Because I just bought a couple more contracts, my average went up. Okay. But look at that. Oh man, look at this. Look at the Greeks. Here they are here. Okay, these are my buys right here. So I bought two at 20, and then 2 at 22. Okay. So I have a total of 5. And look at what the price is in. Man, I showed you where they're at on that Webull graph bar, right? This one ends this Friday. Can't wait. Look at this next one. This one's already in the green. Okay, this one is already $7 in the green. It's the same strike price. I mean, same call, $12.50. My strike price. Look at my strike price. Watch. Where is it at? Look at my strike price. My break even. $13.31. Okay. GE's trading at $13.22. And I'm already making money. Okay. The option is still available, but it's a little bit more. Okay, but you can still buy it. Highly recommend it. That option call is for 6/4. It expires. See, here it is here. Look. I can buy it for $81 right now. That same option. $81. You want to spend $81 to be in the green automatically, knowing GE's gonna tear it up? Think about it. There's my 2 option calls. God bless you guys all. Hope you take General Electric serious, because I do. I'm very bullish on them. I can't wait till Monday. Reminding you all, I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. And let's pack that wallet, baby. Pack that wallet. God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. Hope I got that right. Peace, love, and happiness always.